Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video and a view into Huck's World. And today, yes people, it's the weekend and we're trying to get you set up, get you geared up so you can hit the town. If you're dressing super casual, this is going to be the watch face to check out in the Gear Manager store. Now the name of it is called DW55 and I'm telling you, DW laid this one out. I like the design. I love the layout of this watch face. I love the theme and I'm giving them 4 thumbs up in the door for this one. Now in always on mode, you're going to get a good look for the Gears 3, the Gears 2 and the Gears Sport, and of course, as you can see, the Galaxy watch. Now when the watch face is on, you get everything you need so far as your step status is concerned. Get your heart rate information, floors climb, you get your steps right here, you get your goal completed so far as your steps is concerned. You got a nice moon phase at the top. I love this flat digital time with the animated seconds. Get your month right here, and I like that they write September out. I think that gives it a good look, and I like that we have the goal completed down at the bottom as well. Tells us that we have 39 weeks into the year and we're almost at the end of the year already, people. Now it is in the active, so you can tap on the moon phase, get your weather, you can tap on your steps, get your step info. Right here you can get your calendar, set an event, and you can tap on your heart rate as well, get your heart rate information, see your status. And yeah, DW did it. Now look at the background. I like that carbon look, and you can change it. I'm going to tap on floors and it changes just a little bit, gives it a different theme look, and I thought this was nice being given from DW. And yeah, DW did his thing with this one, people. So hit me in the comment section down below. Tell me if you're on your way to go download this one. Remember, he always makes it affordable in the Gear Manager store. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. Make sure you have fun, enjoy the weekend, enjoy family and friends, and remember, most of all, be safe. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you all again at the next one. Take care.